English speakers, good evening, welcome, how you doing? Hope you're having a great day. Today, we're talking about these two words, with and within. How are they different? What do they mean? And how do we use them? Why are they so confusing? They're actually not so confusing. You're going to find out in just a moment. Keep watching. By the way, if this is your first time watching one of my videos, thank you so much and welcome. Drop a comment below. I would like to personally thank you and welcome you. My name's David. English is not my mother tongue, but I do speak it as my first and strongest language. And I help non-natives learn the English language like natives do, so they too can enjoy the pleasure of using this beautiful language to communicate and connect with people all over the world. Anyways, let's get into our lesson. First, we're going to talk about with. With is used to talk about this idea of togetherness, right? So when two or more things are in the same place, or when two or more things happen at the same time, we use the word with to describe that. So a couple of examples would be, I went to the park with my pet turtle. All right, so me and my pet turtle, we both went to the park together. That's what it means. Take the medicine with your meals. So that means that when you take medicine, at the same time, you're also kind of eating something or having your meals, either breakfast, lunch, or dinner. You don't want to just take the medicine by itself and just drink some water and do that. You don't want to take the medicine on an empty stomach, is what we're trying to say. So you should have food, your breakfast, lunch, or dinner, and at that time, either before or after, take the medicine. Okay, so with is used to communicate this idea of togetherness. Okay, next we're going to talk about within. So as the word itself kind of hints, the word in is actually part of the word, right? So that gives us a hint as to what this word means. Within basically means inside, to be inside either a space or inside a period of time. So let's look at a couple of examples. There are 5 shopping centers within 100 meters of this apartment. What that means is we've got the apartment here, and if we imagine a 500-meter radius circle around the apartment, inside this 500-meter radius circle around the apartment, there are 5 shopping centers. So inside this space, there are 5 shopping centers. That's why we're using within. The next example is, I can't talk because I'm on a train right now. I'll call you within 5 minutes. Within 5 minutes means inside a period of 5 minutes. So it means I'm gonna hang up the phone right now, and you start timing 5 minutes from now. In this 5-minute period of time, at some point inside this 5-minute period of time, it could be in 1 minute, it could be in 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, any time inside this 5-minute period, I'm going to call you back. That's what it means. So the word within, which has the word in as part of it, means inside. All right. Now it's your turn to practice. Drop your example sentences in the comments below. I'm going to go through the comments and check every single one. If I see any mistakes, I'll correct them. All right. Thank you so much for watching. You have a great week. And remember, I am cheering for you. Take care. I'll catch you in the next video.